Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute notifications on the Line application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home button down below and then tap on settings in the upper right corner of the screen. After that you should scroll down to the general section and click on notifications. Here you can find the mute option, which is the second one, so click on it and here you can select the off option, which will disable notifications completely, or you can select the mute for 1 hour or mute until 8 AM options as well. All you have to do is clicking on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically. So basically that's